Hi my spirits, beautiful day. Today I'm going to show you the city of Fort Worth, the nature and the Refuge Center. This is such an awesome journey. See ya. Nature and Refuge Center. So much to see here. This is truly going to be a wonderful adventure. So come on, let's go and enjoy the ride, and just can't wait to see with forest, and the main attraction is the bisons. Just can't wait to see them and also just be with this peaceful, serene forest, the nature. And this is located just 10 minutes from downtown Fort Worth. Just so many different types of species of birds, animals, alligators. We have hiking trail here. You can spend the whole day to find out more about amazing nature. And this is Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. This is Fort Worth Nature Center. It's huge. Very sunny day. Beautiful day. It's still not too hot. I think this is the bison viewing dock. That's where I'm heading now. You see? Let's go. See how serene this place is. Always, nature is your best companion. Especially in today's world, you need to stay away from stress. This is the dock you can view. You see the birds singing. Beautiful dock. So calm. Life has become so stressful today's world. So much stress from our day-to-day life, from our work, our just overall, it's very stressful. And stress creates all kind of diseases, mental illness, physical fatigues. You will feel tired, and in order to cure this illness, and especially to stay away from stress, stay with nature. This is very beautiful. It is Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. There's so much to see here. You can hike. You can, spend the time with the alligators, the bisons, many different types of species of birds, and many other animals. And also the calmness. I remember I told you the bat, the Japanese bat, the forest bat thing, and also the hormone that gives you peace. This was the Buffalo Range. I'm just walking to see what else I can discover. See this. Wow, beautiful. So many different types of trees here. I did not get a chance to see any buffaloes yet. Keep on walking. It's so good for your health, especially this kind of places where you can discover little small different types of species, animals, glimpse of animals, birds. Just once in a lifetime experience here. Beautiful Fort Worth. Just have to say, really, truly a place where you can spend all day. Bring your family here and then just put yourself out in nature. Adventurous, right? I just told you about different types of stress we have. That stress affects your immune system, you know, and especially the more and more we are becoming advanced in technology, we are being more vulnerable to different types of diseases like cancer, you know, especially the air pollution. That's creating a lots of new diseases like the coronavirus and many others. So you have to, more and more, you have to put yourself in the bushes. Hoping to see one of these beautiful creations, right? Well, welcome to Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. Just a place where you can spend all your day being with nature, being cured by nature. I'm seeing a lot of plants, and especially the nopales, the cactus, a lot here. So far I haven't seen any animals, but definitely I'm gonna. But I just told you, life is just so stressful in today's world, and stress creates lots of diseases. So you have to spend more and more time with nature. Look at this beautiful wildflower. What we see here, pollinator all-stars. Pollinators come in many shapes and sizes, from small mammals, bats and birds to insects. Insects accounts for 80% of pollination, and they're the cornerstone of diversity and life on Earth. Insects are the real stars of pollination. Very important information. Let's go. We walk more. Wildflowers. Wildflowers. Beautiful, right? Purple. Wow. Look at this beauty of nature. Hiking in the forest. A vast land. Beautiful blue sky. And the prairie. Wildflowers. I haven't seen any wild animals yet, but who knows, right? When they're gonna pop up. It's amazing. Once in a while, you need to skip away from your very stressful life. The lifestyles on this planet Earth is becoming more and more stressful. The ongoing change of technologies, impact of artificial intelligence, and many other factors affecting our lives, and we as a human being becoming more vulnerable to many different types of disease. We are becoming more and more just like a robot and living the life where we are not connected with nature. And the more and more we stay in touch with nature, we become more young, and also we are able to live longer. Bluebonnets and nopal cactus and the blue sky. Who is gonna have stress in this life? This life is just too short to have extra stress and difficulties and to suffer. Be with nature, love them, and cherish them along your journey. You will have a long life. Our ancestors used to live a very strong, healthy life, long life. Why? Because they were connected with heaven, with nature, with the universe. They had time to take off in their life to be next to nature. But today's lifestyle, it's so busy, so much pressure, so much stressful that we don't have that time to look to our inner soul, ourselves, and be with serenity, calm, universe, and God. Texas is beautiful, Fort Worth is beautiful, and Fort Worth Nature Center is really truly once in a lifetime experience. Please come visit, and this is your show, Journey of the Spirit. Look at this beautiful cactus, nopal. It's a medicine to cure diabetics, obesity, and they grow in Texas everywhere. And these beautiful bluebonnets and the butterflies, oh, truly, truly heaven on earth, right? The bluebonnets, the nopales, cactus, yellow wildflowers, and the butterflies. Who says heaven is far away? Heaven is on this planet Earth. We just have to take time to discover this heaven. Hi everyone, welcome to Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. Just 15 to 20 minutes away from downtown Fort Worth, this beautiful heaven on earth, really a place you want to come, spend all day just hiking, walking, running, and just find out there's many different types of flowers, wildflowers, plants, trees, nature, birds. Just, I have to say, truly, truly, truly magical. And this is your show, Journey of the Spirit. Ms. Farayam Sadha. Spend more time with nature and connect with yourself, your inner self, and keep away from all the stress, because stress just destroys you. It destroys your inner soul power, inner strength also. So spend more time with nature. This is such a lovely, wonderful day. I'm seeing so many different types of flowers, cactus, just many different types of butterflies flying everywhere. Just simply, simply, simply magical. Magical and magical. And remember, life is truly a magic. You just have to go out there, explore, be brave, and also understand that no matter what we achieve, the biggest achievement is humanity. You can have 1,000 degrees, but still, if you don't have humanity inside you, it doesn't matter. You can have billions of dollars, but if you're not a good human inside, that doesn't matter. You can be the top of the world, the most known person in the world, powerful person in the world, but if you don't have humanity inside you, it's nothing. because our Creator is so powerful. Is so powerful than us. He only loves those they have humanity, kindness, and love inside. Be a good human. I think at the end of this world, we all gonna meet, and that's called the paradise. That's where, again, we'll find that what love truly was. I see a lot of butterflies here. Lots of different types of butterflies. Beautiful. The beautiful blue sky and the blue bonnets, the yellow flowers, beautiful yellow butterflies, all together. Fort Worth Nature Center is a place to be. This is almost heaven on earth. Come here, visit here. This is just 15 minutes away from downtown Fort Worth, and you can have all of this once in a lifetime. What do you like about this beautiful Fort Worth Nature Center, and what have you been experiencing here?
Well, I like the Oakmont Trail. It has everything. It has wildflowers. Sometimes I see deer. It has birds, and it has forest, and it has open grasslands. And this is kind of a typical what it looks like on this trail. A lot of brush, so that's why it's a good place for birds. And it just makes me happy. It takes about an hour and a half to walk from the headquarters down to this trail, big loop, do the loop. And so an hour and a half is good hike. It's almost 3 miles.
Wow, wonderful. So this is one of those beautiful days, right? It's lovely.
This is probably going to be the best day just because of the temperature, the wildflowers,
butterflies.
There's a nice breeze. I'm barely breaking a sweat.
Right.
And a day like this, you see a lot of families, couples and stuff out here.
Wonderful, right? Yeah. Best time. We should all spend our time with nature, no matter what, to expand our longevity.
Yes. Awesome.
Hi, everyone. A very special gift just came to me from a special person, just a tourist on this beautiful Fort Worth Nature Center. And you see, again, that was the message of love. Let's love one another. There's nothing important. Nothing above this. See, this one small thing is love. It's free. It's costs nothing. It does not take any energy. But once you can discover this small thing, you will discover the great divine. This great vast universe will be in your palm. This is love. Love is above all. Flint is the rock that the Native Americans, they make their arrows, all kind of stuff. And this is it. Miracle of nature is truly a gift from heaven. A miracle again. You see this heart-shaped pebble I have. This truly symbolizes the true love, the love for this world, for mankind. Nothing is important or above. God is love and love is God. There's chickadees, you see, and wren. It's giving all the messages, the messengers from heaven. Wow, simply spectacular. It's a black vulture.
4 of them.
Four of them there. Wow.
They have white tips.
Wow. Lake Worth Lake is very near. That's why I'm collecting all these pebbles and can't wait to see Lake Worth. Let's go. Something, a fossil. Lots of fossils. This is oyster shell fossil. You see how it looks? You see the oyster there? Wow. That's why you need to be very adventurous. And then you'll be able to discover so many different types of this mystery of nature, gifts of nature. Still a long walk. It's a nice trail. And the more and more you walk and move forward, you're gonna discover different types of birds, rocks, pebbles, fossils, plants, butterflies. Just simply miraculous. Come on, my spirits. Now I'm gonna show you a very beautiful part of the trail. But this is gonna be a mystery. So come on, let's go. Hi, my beautiful spirits. You see on my behind is the bison dock. You can stand on this dock and view the bisons. And after I pass through this dock, I'm gonna take you to a beautiful part of this trail, of this beautiful Fort Worth Nature Center. It is once in a lifetime opportunity, and today everybody's saying heaven on earth. Beautiful butterflies, wild flowers, birds, all together, paradise. Come on, let's go. Wow. Amazing. Life is just too short to have stress. Life is just too short to have difficulties, to always feel you are less. You are everything on this planet Earth. If you only connect with the great divine and his... This is an old road, an abandoned road that's going all the way. You can walk towards it. It's even nice. It's more, I can feel it's, it's kind of like a cozy and cool. Just don't be scared. You can just walk by yourself. It's only fear will block of your nice inventions in life. Come on, let's go walk. Look at the beautiful Indian paintbrush flowers. Wow, coral color, orange color. The butterflies are flying. Truly, 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 truly heaven on earth. Beautiful Indian paintbrush flowers. Lovely, right? Indian paintbrush flowers. Beautiful, right? Beautiful orange coral color. Lovely. Bison resilience. Once a sea of hoops, millions of bisons once roamed the Great Plains and inhabited the northern regions of Mexico, north into Canada. Prior to European settlement, it was estimated tens of millions of bisons lived throughout the country. Over time, these numbers dwindled due to grazing competition, cattle disease, and overhunting. By the late 1880s, the bison population reached an all-time low of a few hundred, a national symbol. On May 9, 2016, President Barack Obama signed into law of National Bison Legacy Act. The purpose of the act was to adopt the bison as the national mammal of the United States. It recognized the historic, economic, ecological, spiritual significance to the United States and indigenous people across our land. National mammal, bison. Look at this wonder again. Wow. Be careful not to touch this ball nettle. That will stink your skin. Be careful. Look nice, but poisonous. Really a nice trail to hike, walk, and to discover so many of these creations of the Most High. Lovely, wonderful day, everybody is saying. It is one of those days, beautiful and heavenly. The secret of long life. What is it? What is that secret? We all want to live long in this planet Earth, but we don't know the secret. The secret is forest bathing. Just shower, take a shower in the forest with nature. That smell, that hormone that creates through this process will actually increase your longevity, increase your lifespan, your aura. So, my spirits, the secret of long life is to be near with nature. Very simple, right? Wow, that was the end of my tour and the surprise from the bisons. Finally, they showed up. You know, just nature and animal, they're very independent. They don't care about surrounding or other people, places. They are free spirit. So my free spirit, finally your gift. Yes, they are here. Wow, so calm, quite unbothered. The bisons, finally. Remember, spirits, animals, nature, they're independent. You never know when they're gonna show up. They're free spirit. And finally, I found them. Unbothered. So always respect living and non-living. Give them their own space, like the way as a human we need our own space to once in a life to discover who we are, why we are here, and what is your purpose. Just like them, calm, quiet. The bisons, look at that, beautiful, right? Oh. Finally, what a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful venture. Fort Worth Nature Center truly was a gift. Look at them, so beautiful. Fort Worth Nature Center was truly a gift for them, for me, and for my free spirits. This is your show, Journey of the Spirit. Please do come visit Fort Worth Nature Center once in a lifetime. Truly heaven. Playing. It's a playground, right? Yeah. So it's just a beautiful, wonderful. This universe is so diversified. It has so much to learn, so much to respect. And it only requires that one magic word, love. Love you all. Journey of the Spirit. I'm Sada. Keep on loving, learning, and walk on the path of love and light. Even though it's very hard, even though it's very challenging, even though it's very painful, but do not stop. At the end, it's between you and the Creator. Just love everything, everyone. Respect wildlife, right? Fort Worth Nature Center was a wonderful experience. All we need to do is respect everything surrounding you, living or non-living. Beautiful. The wild is beautiful in the wildness, peaceful in their own space. All we need to do is respect and leave them alone. I think they're very hungry. So they're chasing each other, angry also. Making sounds.